I don't know what it was off of. There's no name on it.
Yeah. I'm over here with Billy North.
All right.
We're picking beans over here.
You can holler at me if you do.
Here's what we do in Kentucky.
Okay, bud. It's good and cool here now in the shade. We're sitting down. I pulled the vines and we're sitting down taking them off the vine. Honorary man's way. I don't like to bend over all the time.
We're singing good country music.
Yeah.
There you are. There's Billy North right here. There's my neighbor right here. 84 years old. Look at it. You wouldn't believe this garden he's got. And we're over here picking some Roma beans here. He's got some beautiful beans.
Plenty of them.
There you go. That's what you do. You come over here and you pick beans with me and my neighbor here. You won't go hungry in this county. Not with this guy here. How about that, huh? Charlie Delaney. That's my father-in-law and my mother-in-law, Betty.
Yeah, if they could see this big long garden.
Oh yeah, they'd love it. I'm going to take a picture of it and send it to them. My sister-in-law,
got a lot
Robin.
of stuff out of it so far.
Yep.
Look, whenever I pull that, I take my little harvest and I clean it up as I go and hold the weeds.
That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it, and it's done once and for all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Later on, see, I'll sow this in greens.
Oh. Okay.